Hello respectable audience, most people calculate the answer and their answer is 0 and they are satisfied that 0 is correct answer. How they got 0? Because minus 8 plus 8 gives us 0. 0 times 3 gives us 0. So in numerator we have 0 over 4. 0 by anything we have 0. Hence 0 will be our answer. Now I will practically show that our answer is 0 and how we can get the answer 0. Minus 8 plus 8 gives us 0 times here is 3 over 4. 0 times 3 gives us 0 over 4. Now 0 by any number, our answer will be equal to 0. Hence we got 0 and 0 is our answer, and most are satisfied that they are correct. But remember that all this method is incorrect and we are wrong in this question. Actually we have a lot of mistakes in this question. Now first we remove those mistakes to get it correctly. In the numerator we have addition and multiplication, and remember that multiplication has always priority over addition and subtraction. Okay, now treat numerator as first number and denominator as second number. So we have to apply separately PEMDAS over numerator and similarly over denominator if we need. Now we have addition and multiplication, so our priority is to handle multiplication first. Okay, that is the key point. So minus 8 as it is plus 8 times 3 gives us 24 over 4. Minus 8 plus 24 gives us 16 over 4, which will be further solved to get 4, and that will be our correct answer. We got two answers, 0 and 4. So 0 is incorrect and 4 is correct answer for this PEMDAS based activity. Thank you for your response, your support, your valuable comments, your subscription.